Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Face ID to install apps in iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now in setting scroll down, click on Face ID and passcode. Enter your phone key. Now here you will see iTunes and App Store. So if you want to use Face ID to install apps, turn on the button. So click on Get Start and show your phone. So after the process, you will install apps by using Face ID. So that's how you can use Face ID to install apps in iPhone 17 Pro Max. Hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.